Ooh.
Yeah, it's your tree.
Ooh, you see the presents? What are all those boxes? What are all those boxes?
Wow.
Do we want to go ahead and open one?
Yeah, you want to open one?
We should open one? Now those two are for Mommy.
No, none of them. What is it? Oh, for Mommy.
That's for Mama. So let's put it right here. Let me see. Let's do this one. This is for Donovan. Here, Donovan. Donovan. Oh, that's for Mama. Yeah. That's for Mama. Let's. Oh. Donovan. Donovan, look. Ooh. You gonna help? Help Daddy. There you go.
Yeah.
Oh, play food set. Let's see. Whoa. Check it out. It's a pear. And a croissant. And whatever that is. You know, like a chicken.
Look at all the
All
stuff.
kinds of stuff. Grapes. Well, I wonder what you're going to do with all of this. Orange slices. All kinds of other good stuff here. Nice. It's almost like you've got stuff for your own kitchen. We'll just put these aside for right now. What else could there be, Donovan? Take the hat off? Alright, Daddy will wear the hat. Alright, what do we want to do next, Mommy?
Alright, I'll stop recording.
Why?
We're gonna record the whole.
Oh, if we're gonna see this one then. If we're gonna.
Alright.
Cool.
Alright, let's open this one.
Ooh. Pull it down. Pull it. Pull it down. Oh my goodness. You know what it looks like? You know what it looks like? Whoa.
Give it to
Goodness gracious. It's your very own vacuum cleaner. It's a Donovan vacuum cleaner.
Oh my gosh!
It's a Donovan vacuum cleaner. If he ever grips the handle right, it'll actually come on and start making racket.
It's a vacuum cleaner, it is!
Check it out. That's for Donovan.
Wow, it's a vacuum cleaner!
For Donovan. Which we will destroy in the next 2 days. Hit that red button. Pretty good. All right, Donovan. Say bye-bye. No, we're too busy for bye-bye.
Can you say Merry Christmas?
Merry Christmas.